Boneflex is marketed as a bone health supplement that supposedly helps prevent age-related bone weakness. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it another supplement making big health claims? Now, to be fair, bone health supplements are not completely pointless. Ingredients like calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and vitamin K are genuinely important for maintaining healthy bones. What it does well may help fill nutritional gaps. If someone lacks calcium or vitamin D, supplementation can support overall bone health and maintenance. Vitamin D supports calcium absorption. This is one of the most scientifically supported aspects of bone health supplements. Where it falls short, it will not magically rebuild weak bones. This is the biggest issue. No supplement alone can dramatically reverse osteoporosis or create major bone density improvements overnight. The marketing is often exaggerated. Ads sometimes imply dramatic bone regeneration or age reversal effects that are not strongly supported by evidence. Results are usually slow and modest. Bone health changes happen gradually over months or years, not in days or weeks. So, does Boneflex actually strengthen your bones? Short answer, possibly supports bone health slightly, but not in the dramatic way ads may suggest. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.